Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. And the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus have finally received the Android 8.0 Oreo update. It's about time. 2-3 days after the Galaxy S9 got officially released in the US, my S8 and S8 Plus received the update. Now that they've received the Oreo update, I can finally start working on my revisited video and comparison with the S9 and S9 Plus. Video coming very soon, so be sure you click that subscribe button. But now it's time to actually take a look at everything that's new and included with the Oreo update for your Galaxy S8. Now here's the S8 Plus and S8. The S8 Plus is on T-Mobile. This is the Verizon model, and both have gotten them. You'll see here, this is download paused. That's because I actually didn't install it on my S8 Plus yet, but I do have it installed on my S8. Now let me know, drop a comment, let me know if you've received it on your S8 and which carrier you actually use it on. Very quickly, I would like to show you that it is now updated to Android 8.0 and also Samsung Experience version 9.0. So that is some updates that come, so not just Android updates, but Samsung also has made improvements to the Samsung Experience 9.0. So I will talk about those. Here's just a little Easter egg if you press and hold on that O. Right away, the home launcher got a couple changes. It still is very similar, but if you press and hold, jump into settings, you'll notice that app icon badges are there. So those are going to start. And then speaking of these notifications, you can actually time them out. So if I swipe over and hit this, I can snooze them for up to 2 hours at a time. 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hours, and I hit save. It snoozes that notification, it goes away, and it'll come back within that preset amount of time. The edge lighting, when you get a notification, has changed. So if I go over to edge lighting and jump into those settings, there's a lighting style where you can change the effect, color, transparency, and width. So right now it's very narrow, but if I make it a little more wide, see how much more that coloring shows up. Now watch the different effects: multicolor, glow, or glitter. So you have multicolored, you can just hit apply, and there you go. The Samsung keyboard itself got an update. You'll notice a toolbar up at the top to quickly jump between smileys, stickers, GIFs, voice, or settings, and then you can quickly swap between specific things that you've typed in or text. And of course you have a bunch of categories down at the bottom, or go right back to your letters. One of the better features in Oreo is smart text selection. So what happens is, let's say I have 123 Oak Street and I just press and hold on it. It automatically selects all of it because it recognizes that it's an address, and pass to quickly sign into your online accounts using your biometrics instead of entering them. So with those biometrics, there's a bit of an update which I would recommend checking out under lock screen and security. They've kind of updated and made better the iris scanner and face recognition. You can't have both on at the same time like you can on the Galaxy S9. There's no intelligent scan on this, so that seems to be an S9 exclusive. As a lot of you know, Samsung has done an amazing job at not only multi-window, but the somewhat of a picture-in-picture mode. So if you swipe from the corner, you can make an app smaller, and then you can go ahead and move that app around anywhere on the screen, so you can have a bunch of apps open at once. If I minimize Google Play, it brings a little icon where I can tap